spa. This is a 6-person spa. It's about 80 inches in diameter. I was actually going to get a real hot tub, and decided against it because I didn't want a permanent structure. So I got the portable base, the plastic units. That's an 8x8 section. Then finished it off with some 2x6s, some stone. Give it a nice finished look off the deck. But this thing is really cool. I mean, you can't see here. You can sit on it. Super clean. Very little maintenance. It's got 2 filters, one on this side and one near the main pump. The main pump does most of the cleaning. Just took this out yesterday, and it's, you can see how gross it is. The one over here barely gets used. You can almost take that one and put it in the main one when you're changing it. Got the little floaty thing that you put some bromine tabs in. I actually just bought a portable Intex vacuum for this, which is why it looks so clean. It had sand in it previously. I just cleaned that out about an hour ago. But this thing, it's 102. I've had the lid off for about 2 hours now, and it's only gone down 2 degrees, so that's really good. Actually, I'll show you what the bubbles look like. Pretty legit, not gonna lie. It's summertime now, so we're not using it as much, mostly at night, maybe early morning. It's got a great lid, but yeah, if you're looking at buying one of these things, it's totally worth the money. I think it was like 500 bucks, 600 bucks all in. Actually, that pad was $400. That was kind of a rip-off, but it does what it's built for. That's the Intex portable spa, 6-person. So after sitting in that, realizing what a great product they have, I went ahead and bought that thing over there. I'll do a separate video for that, but that thing's a lot of fun.